Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a desktop CPU to repair and it's no power. Yeah, there is no power. So let's check together. What is the problem? Remove the power cable. If you want to repair any CPU, just at first just remove the power cable from hard disk, so our hard disk will be safe, because there is no power. So we want to repair power at first, so that's why we don't need to hard disk or Windows, so our Windows will be safe. Actually I can see the one more problem. Probably this switch stuck. Both of switches are stuck inside. So if switch is problem, then we can try turn on by manual. I have removed the front panel cable because this switch is problem is stuck inside, so that's why I have removed the front cable. Then we'll start by manual. Okay, how is it manual? See, this is the front panel. So if power button, this red to first power button, so we'll just touch. Okay, I have removed. Then now we'll plug in, then by screw just will touch the power 2 button. Yeah, there is power, fan is spinning. Yeah, there is display also. Okay, if I connect the VGA cable, inside there will be display. See, it's green light. Yeah, see, there is display. So it was problem in the button switch, power switch and restart switch. Both of switches are stuck inside. Yeah, so manually I start. Just power button, just you connect by test pin. Okay, to repair this we have to remove the front. To repair our power button and restart, we have to remove the back cover also. Yeah. Then see if there is any screw or not. There I've seen there is no screw, but there is lock. If you see lock, so after that you just check there is USB cable or not, front USB cable. So we have to remove that cable also, because we have to remove the front cover. And this is the front cover. Yeah. Oh yeah, we have. I think there is. Yeah, remove. Yeah. You know what is the problem? It has come out from there. Yeah, switch is okay. This is the power switch, red and white power switch. This is the restart switch. See, there is noisy, so this switch is, I hope, okay. So just we have to fix it there. Now what is the problem was last time they push it very hardly. When they push very hardly, it's broken from there. There was lock to stuck it there. So I guess this cable also broken. This cable also broken. Power switch. See, this both of. Okay, I'll solder this resistor switch and power switch, then I'll fix it there because it's broken from there. So lock is broken. So what is the solution now? If it is broken, we will fix it there. See, this switch is working. Okay, to stay there for forever, I have to put a glue. After I solder the cable, then I'll put here glue, both of same. I'll put the glue, then we'll be okay, inshallah. Yeah, let's solder it together. So it's now nice. Now there, because the holder is broken, so I have to put the hot glue. There is no way to do anything. So I have put glue. So after you put glue, let it be around 20 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes, then this glue will be very strong. Yeah, now this glue is very, yeah, after I put glue, now it's very strong. Let's check the switch. It's okay. See, press beep. If I release, stop. Beep, beep, beep. So that means now switch is okay. Let me fix it. This is the SD portable. Now let's try. Inshallah will be okay. with the power cable. Alright, so has been connected. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So has been connected. I turn on the power. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, it's working. Let's see the display. Yeah, display has come. Yeah, it has been displayed. Run F1 to set up. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you.